Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Bosch dishwasher spray arm water supply tube. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the instructions, the nozzle, and the spray arm water supply tube. The spray arm water supply tube supplies the water to the spray arms. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's clogged or damaged and the water's not getting to the spray arms and the dishes aren't getting clean. In order to get to the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Now that we have the door open, we're going to take out both racks. To take the lower one out, all you have to do is pull it out, lift it off, and set it aside. To get the upper one off, we're just going to pull it out. Once the wheels are all the way out, we're just going to lift up on it and pull the second set off. Once you have it free, you can set it aside. Now that we have the racks out of the way, we can reach in and pull the lower spray arm out. You just have to pull up on it so the tabs release. Once you have it free, you can pull it out and set it aside. Now that we have the spray arm out of the way, we can take out the filters. We're going to remove the small filter basket first. We're just going to turn this so the blue arrow comes up to 3 o'clock. You can lift it out, set it aside, and you can pull out the filter screen. All you have to do is pull towards the front of the dishwasher and lift it out. Now we can use the Torx 20 driver to take out these two screws that hold it to the sump. Now we can follow the spray arm water supply tube up. There's a little metal bracket right here that it mounts into. We're just going to take a small flathead screwdriver and pop it up. Once you have it free here, we're going to go back down and lift it off the sump. Once you have it off the sump, we can pull it out of the dishwasher. Here's the old spray arm water supply tube next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you're looking over the instructions, there's two different versions, the old and the new. You have to look at the spray arm water supply tube on the upper rack and look at the base. You'll see the old style is kind of smooth and the new has ridges and grooves kind of formed into it. If you have the new one, then you're going to use the one with the 18.5 millimeter nozzles, and if you have the old one, you're going to use the 15 millimeter. The old one with the 15 millimeter nozzles is the darker one in this kit. They measure from the base to this little edge right here, not all the way to the top. We're not going to use that one because we have the new style. The 18.5 already comes mounted on here. If you need to change it out, there's 3 locking tabs on each side. You can use a small flathead screwdriver to release so you can swap it out. Once you have it ready, you can put it into the dishwasher. To put the new spray arm water supply tube in, we're just going to carefully feed it into the dishwasher. And we're going to line up the bottom so it goes onto the sump. Once you have the base in, you can follow the water supply tube up, and we're going to push it into the metal clip so it locks in. Once you have it clipped in, we can put the dishwasher back together. First, we're going to put the filter screen back in. All you have to do is slide it up, make sure it goes underneath these 2 tabs right there. Then we can put the small micro screen basket in. Just like when we took it out, we're going to align the blue arrows at 3 and 9 o'clock, and then turn it so it comes down to 6 o'clock. Once you have that in, we can grab the Torx 20 driver and put the 2 screws back in. Once you have the screws tightened down, we can put the lower spray arm back in. All you have to do is snap it into place. Make sure it spins freely. Once you have it in there, we can put the racks back in. To put the lower rack back in, we're just going to set it on the door and guide it back into the dishwasher. Once you have it all the way in, we can put the upper one in. To put the upper rack in, if your rails got pushed in, you just have to pull them out. Once you have them out, we just have to set the upper dish rack on the rails and push it back. You may have to reach in and grab the rails and pull them forward again so we can set the upper wheels on them. Once you have it on, you can push it all the way in, close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.